Let's try some more. Same directions. Determine if the following are perfect square trinomials, and if so, factor them. So you can totally do factor by grouping if you really, really wanted to. I'm going to urge you not to, because these are way too much fun. So for the first one, what squared is 4x squared? Hopefully you said 2x. And what squared is 1? 1. And now check the inside. Does the inside have the format as 2 times a times b? Is 2 times 2x times 1 equal to 4x? Yes. So because of that, this factors as a 2x, keep this sign, plus b 1 quantity squared. So I think that this format, if you know it, it actually is faster than factor by grouping. Notice we only needed 2 lines. Grouping, we need like 3 or 4. So highly recommend that you consider memorizing this format. E. I'm going to do E down here so we have some more space. Boop. Okay. What is the first rule of factoring? To pull out the greatest common factor. What is the greatest common factor? Shout it louder. Hopefully you said 4x. So pull out a 4x first. If we pulled out a 4x first, we'd be left with 25x squared plus 70x plus, I want to say that is 49. I'm sticking to that. Okay, so this 4x that we pulled out stays right where it is. We're only going to focus on what's in parentheses off to the side here. So what squared is 25x squared? 5x. What squared is 49? 7. And now check the inside. Is the inside the same thing as 2ab, 2 times 5x times 7? Yep, those multiplied together does give us 70x. So the factorization would be 4x that we pulled out earlier times the quantity a, 5x, plus b, 7, quantity squared. If you did not know this format, what you then have to do is figure out what a times c is. So 25 times 49 is 1,225. And then you get the added bonus of finding out the factors of 1,225 that add up to 70. Gah! I don't want to do that. But if you know your format for your perfect square, it saves you a lot of time. Great. Let's try part F. Again, we have a perfect square. What can we pull out? Looks like we can pull out a 4. Oh my. Yeah, that's it. We can pull out a 4. Oh, you guys are going to love this one. I just realized what I did to you. If we pull out a 4, we're left with 4x squared minus 12xy plus 9y squared. Ugh. Keeping that 4 that we pulled out, let's just focus on the stuff in parentheses. What squared is 4x squared? 2x. What squared is 9y squared? We got 2 variables. Hopefully you said 3y. So now check the inside. Is the inside 2 times the first times the last? is 2 times 2x times 3y equal to 12xy? Yes, it is. So we have ourselves a perfect squared trinomial. The 4 that we factored out stays right where it is. Our a is 2x. Keep this sign. So now minus. Our b is 3y. Quantity squared. So that trinomial factors as 4 times the quantity 2x minus 3y squared.